Awesome viewers, welcome to our financial playground. Today, we are going to explore an exciting topic that can make a huge difference in your money game. Why using a credit card might just be the winning move over a debit card. Buckle up because we are about to embark on a thrilling ride full of engaging examples and money smart tips. Let's get started off by dividing into the fantastic world of credit card and how they can level up your financial life. Ready to roll? Here we go. Building your credit score. Imagine you are on a quest to buy your dream home, but this wise lizard called lender won't grant you a magical mortgage because you don't have a credit history. Enter the credit card. By using it wisely and making timely payments, you can create a powerful credit history. Now, lender sees you as a credit worthy knight, and the keys to your dream castle are within reach. Protection against fraud. Let's face it, we have all heard tales of mischievous trolls trying to swipe your gold coins, your money, when you shop online. But fear not, with a credit card in your pocket, you have got a mighty shield against these trolls. If any fraudulent charges appear, the credit card company comes to your rescue, banishing the trolls and restoring your stolen coins. Unlocking rewards and perks. You are a savvy adventurer and you use your credit card to book flights for your next epic journey. Little do you know that the credit card wizard sprinkles magic rewards on your card. Interest free grace period. Imagine you are a time traveler and your credit card grants you a time turner. Each month, you get a magical grace period where you can pay your bill without facing interest charges. Emergency funds at hand. It's a real life example. You are out in the forest and suddenly your carriage breaks down. But worry not, dear adventurer. Your credit card acts as a trusty emergency portion. It provides you with immediate funds to summon a wizardly mechanic and get back on your journey without any setbacks. Now let's talk about debit card sidekick. Now let's welcome the loyal sidekick, the debit card, here to save the day with its own sets of perks and money saving tricks. Spending what you have. You are in a magical marketplace and you want to buy a shiny new wand. With a debit card, you can only spend the gold coins you have in your bag. It's like having a budget spell cast on you, preventing overspending and keeping your finances on track. No interest worries. With a debit card, you are like a skillful alchemist who avoids the interest portion entirely. Since you are using your own gold coins, there is no need to fret about interest charges gobbling up your hard earned money. Let's face it, we all have a little impulse gobbling whispering in our ears, enticing us to make impulsive purchases. But fear not, the debit card as your trusty sidekick, you can send that gobbling packing. You'll stick to your budget like a master sorcerer, resisting the temptations of debt. Using a debit card is like sipping a calming potion. There are no monthly credit card bills to worry about or interest magic tricks to decipher. Your transactions are straightforward, directly linked to your bank account. Accessible to everyone. They don't require a credit history check, making them accessible to adventurers of all kinds, including those building their financial journeys from scratch. Remember, your choice depends on your financial goals and how you want to build your money magic. Thank you for joining me on this exciting adventure. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more magical money tips. Until next time, keep mastering your finances and may your money choices always lead to prosperity. Farewell, bravo adventurers. See you in the next video. Thank you.